Hi everybody, welcome to your last module of new material. So this week we're going to be looking at inclusive leadership and leadership ethics. So there is a new matrix and a discussion board, and then you can start on your final paper. So the last entry in your leadership matrix is the inclusive leadership model. So fill out one final role for this theory. Here is a podcast that talks a little bit about ethics and leadership ethics, and then your final discussion board. You consider the reading on ethical leadership in your own experience, explain how ethics and integrity are central to leading in organizations. So do an original post and take a look at each other's there, and that brings us to Module 8. So if you get done early and you need something to do, you can go ahead and take a look at Module 8. But otherwise, have a good week.